Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change links and voiceover on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start! Using your iPhone X, from your home screen first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the accessibility, then tap. Then in the accessibility, go to vision section and then tap the voiceover. Then after that, in the voiceover, scroll down and tap the verbosity. Then after that, in this part, in the verbosity section, scroll down again and then find the links, then tap. Then in the link section, if you want to add or change the verbosity of the links, just tap the links that you want. For example, you want to add change pitch, just tap it until there's a check mark on the side. And if you want to remove it, just tap the check mark that you want to remove, just like this. By tapping the links, you can add and remove the links that can change your verbosity. And that's it. We have successfully changed links and voiceover on iPhone X. If you have a question, comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching!